Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about floods. Floods are natural disasters. Imagine a lot of water covering land that is usually dry. That's a flood. It's like a giant puddle that can cover streets, fields, and even houses. Why do floods happen? There are a lot of reasons. Too much rain. Sometimes it rains so much that the ground cannot soak up all the water and rivers overflow. Melting of snow. When a lot of snow melts quickly, all that water has to go somewhere. Dams breaking. Dams hold back water, but if they break, a lot of water can rush out. Blocked drains. If pipes and drains are full of trash, water cannot flow away. How can we stay safe? Listen to grown-ups. Always listen to teachers and parents if they tell you about flood warnings. Stay away from flood water. Never play in flood water. It can be dangerous and dirty. Have a plan. Your family might have a special plan for what to do if there's a flood. Help keep drains clear. Don't throw trash in the streets or drains. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Take care.